Most big data courses dump frameworks on you. Kafka here, Spark there, Airflow somewhere else. You leave knowing tools, but not how to think. That ends today. This course gives you something different. A universal big data reference architecture. A blueprint that works across every industry, every cloud, every project. By the end, you won't just use big data tools. You'll design the systems that orchestrate them. You've taken courses. You've watched tutorials. You know what Kafka is. You've run a Spark job. But when someone asks you to design a big data system from scratch, you freeze. That's not your fault. It's the way most courses are built. They teach components, not architecture. This course is different. We start with the WHY, the framework, and then show you exactly where every tool fits. At the heart of this course is a universal big data reference architecture, a standardized logical model that defines every layer of a big data system. Ingestion, processing, storage, analytics, visualization, orchestration. Once you understand this model, it doesn't matter if the company uses AWS, Azure, or on-prem Hadoop. You'll immediately know where every tool belongs and how the whole system breathes together. This isn't theory. Teams at enterprise companies across finance, healthcare, and e-commerce use this exact model every day. Whether you're a data engineer looking to step into architecture, a data scientist trying to understand what your data team actually builds, a software architect expanding into the data world, or a student building their foundation, this course meets you where you are. There's no coding required. This is a thinking course, not a coding course. You'll come out the other side with a mental model that makes every big data job interview, project kickoff, and design review cleaner and more confident. Here's what makes this course stand out from every other big data course on the market. First, framework before tools. Every technology is placed inside a logical model before we dive into it. Second, we cover both cloud and on-prem architectures, so whether your company runs AWS or Hadoop, this applies. Third, we don't stop at Hadoop-era content. Data mesh, feature stores, vector databases. These are 2025 realities covered here. And finally, security, governance, and data lifecycle management are not bonus content. They're built into the core. Approximately 25 seconds. Students who take this course don't just learn big data, they learn to own the conversation around it. The reference architecture we teach has been validated across industries. Engineers use it to design systems. Architects use it to communicate with stakeholders. Students use it to ace interviews. Here's what one student had to say after completing the course. That transformation, from confusion to clarity, is exactly what we designed this for. Let me show you exactly what changes when you complete this course. Before, you might know Kafka, Spark, or Airflow, but you can't connect them. You copy architectures from blog posts. You freeze in system design interviews. After, you think in systems. You choose architectures based on requirements, not guesswork. You design pipelines from scratch. You walk into any big data conversation with the confidence of someone who built the map, not someone still reading it. Big data isn't slowing down. The demand for architects who can think, not just execute, has never been higher. This course gives you that competitive edge. A universal framework, battle-tested architecture patterns, and the mindset of a senior architect in one course. You get lifetime access. You get 30 days to decide if it's right for you. And the content is updated regularly, so you're always learning the current landscape. Click Enroll now. Your architecture career starts today.